Alright guys, today it's very nice. No, you don't need to run. Honors is run away. We do alternator clutch, so we need to drive on the ramp. We take filter, fuel filter, top, and should be when we jack up the engine, lose the mount, be more access. So let's start. We take cover out and we see engine department. Cover is out, just bolt. Owner must decide can we replace on the future, because not very good. I start 2 bolt and we take here, then we see how many space we have for this guy and try jack up. Okay guys, so we have some issue. Somebody damage inside the pen. Just remember this is left. If you pull left, we decide probably buy second-hand, brand new second-hand alternator, and probably we replace alternator. So we can do nothing here, probably change oil. So we put back fuel filter, and yeah, sometimes happen. Okay guys, quantum deviation cylinder, it's for Scirocco, absolutely beautiful Scirocco. I love the Scirocco. Owner no much, but I love the Scirocco. Like you see, quantum deviation absolutely perfect, almost zero. And we burn DPF before we change oil. So we use that flash today. You see, I am saying I have a lot of power for your engine and I'm disappointed. Okay guys, minimum 20 minutes work on the flash or half hour. I cannot find suit. I don't know why. Pressure, it's very good. And guys, 20 minutes passed, so we drain the oil and we put new oil. We open here, open filter. Then you remember guys, no plug down, then oil come down more. Guys, filter is good, nothing shaving, nothing in. So check always filter, then you know, can you once change the car. Yeah. This filter very good, engine happy. So we put filter back, now plug and new oil. Okay guys, what we find, it is just loose on the roll bar, grease, but don't find the leak, the cut CV boots. And like you see this one, this guy sensor, I think this is sensor for expansion, because this is, like you see guys, expansion sport. Next side, it's this guy, absolutely sees, must be clean and put back. And roll bar, we put plug back tight and we put oil. All right, we reset the service. Wchodzimy w menu, języki inne. We come to menu, jedziemy na dół, we go bottom, service information, service reset i wciskamy OK. Zaraz zobaczymy information i mamy za 370 dni albo 9700 mil. Yeah, we done. Goodbye, Scirocco.